Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to You Masikela. And we are going to react to the song Un Halana. Un Halana, however it is said. Let's listen to it. This is the first time single take honest reaction. In the brackets it says Lucky Boy.
So that is what the
It should
word
mean.
translates to.
Yeah.
Un
Un
lan
Lan
la.
Hala. Yeah.
Lanala.
Lanala.
Let's get started. This is a request by Rene.
Rennie.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The song we just finished playing for you was written by my daughter in memory of a cousin of hers. She left in South Africa 6 years ago. His name is Untlanhla, and she calls the song Untlanhla.
Okay. Wow, that was nice. That was very nice. It was simple sound. It was gentle on the ears, not noisy, but it was a lot of fun. It was genuine, pure fun from inside that you're listening to through the music. What I like about unique the feature or quality about this song is the instruments that were playing were so distinctly recognizable and you could listen to them distinctly on the headphone. The horn was playing one side, you can definitely listen to that. That was more dominant. The drums were playing, and not only the rock drum set but also some native drums were there along with it, because sometimes they were used too. And on one side you could hear the guitar, the piano playing very clearly. So these three playing throughout, and you can listen to each of them whenever you feel like. You can switch from the horns at times, and if you want to focus more on the drums or the piano, or otherwise they are playing together. It was jazzy, but I don't know if it was true jazz. What are your thoughts?
Definitely seems to be jazz. Beautiful, beautiful. It has some native influences in it, and that could be understood better by the end of the song when he said how the title of the song was how came about.
Yeah.
So yeah, it definitely has some native influences in the music. Uh, so you could call it fusion jazz or
Yeah.
something like that. But beautiful, beautiful, really soothing, really relaxing. At the same time, it's kind of teasing you at points. At points, the trumpet family instrument teases you so many times with the way it goes. Beautifully done every single step of the way. It was a pure pleasure to listen to this, and definitely would like to listen to more of artists like these
Yeah.
on Inoma as well as in my leisurely hours.
Hugh Masekela. Enjoyable. This was joy. Literally, it was pure joy listening to it. It was very nice to listen to it. Oh wow. That's all for this reaction. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for your time. And thank you all for all the support that you constantly shower over us. Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Faces, and we are going to react to their song Around the Plinth. This is our first time single take on its reaction. Let's get started, Savio.
Walking up all morning search to see. Quite exactly the same as I'm thinking now. Every night for a year I slept alone. Cold down through the blues to West me. No, no, no. Got fear of death that creeps on every night. No, I won't die soon, but then again I might. Water down the drain, I'm wasting away. Doctors can't help the ghost of a man, that's me. No, no. Water down the drain, flows to the sea. The pattern of my life keeps a holding me. Noise upon the ocean fills the sky. Come on down to the ground as the time goes by. No, 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 no. Go. about the place that I was born. From my hometown I was told, at the tender age of 4, I was driven by a homemade Lord. I never knew what it was to be late. My desires are never displayed. I never knew what it was to be loved. I never knew what it was to be loved. I never knew what it was to win. I never knew what it was to be loved. No, no, no.
This is crazy. This is literally crazy music. The way they literally went all the way playing with the sound. That's what they did with the guitar sound. They went all the way. It was not just a little bit of it, not just a special effect, but they went completely all out with it. That was fun to listen to. I don't know how many times you can listen to it and enjoy the same way, but for the first time it wasn't bad. It was different, it was unique. The way he sings also is different and unique, and I like the drums, the way they complement the guitar when it is playing like that, going from one side to the other. Keeps on going, keeps on going. It won't get tired. You may get tired listening to it. For the first time it sounded good, but I doubt if I'm going to listen to it third time or fourth time it will have the same kind of thing on me. I doubt that. He's talking about he's never been loved. For some reason he's just never been loved, never been, no, just never happened. His life is difficult. His life is definitely difficult. He's been doing things the way he likes it, not following the law and things like that. It was all about him. But the music that made it special, maybe it was the character of the person that they were trying to reflect through the music. And just like method acting, when the actors take on a character and they live in their real life also the same way to look more genuine. It was the character that he was singing about. They wanted to make it sound more legit, so they did everything with the sound dynamics and the music as well the same way, so that it sounds more legit whatever his character is. That's what I think they tried to do. I like the music and the way it goes, but on the first listen, definitely have to mention that. Will I like it more when I keep on listening to it? I doubt that. What about you, Savio?
Yeah, it was fun to listen to. I mean, he's talking about how lonely it is, how his state of mind is right now, how things have been going on in his life for a long time. But it was fun to listen to. Musically, it was like an acoustic or unplugged version of the song. It was as if I was hearing a heavy metal song, but played, in an unplugged and acoustic manner. So you had the guitar sounding unplugged, you had the drums as if it was unplugged, and the vocalist reminded me so much of the vocalist of Led Zeppelin. Lot of similarities between the vocals of Led Zeppelin and this vocalist here. Beautiful song, enjoyable to listen to, definitely on the first listen, and I never knew what it was to be loved. So I'm assuming he's singing it now because maybe he has found it, and if so, good for him. he's found love, and perhaps that's why he's saying, I never knew what it was to be loved.
Maybe.
So he seems to be really happy, though he's still getting there. It's not complete joy. He's still on the way to getting there. So but he's sharing his state of mind,
Yeah.
which is that he never knew. He never knew. He was brought up in the manner from a very young age that he never really realized what was true love. But now it seems like he's realized what it is all about, because he kept saying that line, I never knew what it was to be loved. Incidentally, the song has been written, one of the songwriters is Rod Stewart.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nice, very well written and beautifully sung and beautifully played. Definitely was an intention, somewhere there was an intention to make it sound the way it did, unplugged acoustic kind of sound. It was a lot heavier. It was heavy for an acoustic or unplugged environment. For me, definitely it felt that way. Enjoyable to listen to on the first occasion.
Yeah. That's all for this reaction. Thank you for watching.